Hi, I'm Chef Angela Baldanza from Bistro Baldanza of Darien and Baldanza Cafe of New Canaan. And today we're going to show you how to make a wonderful summer smoothie, which we call the Raw Kale Power Smoothie. Real simple, easy to do, and so full of great vitamins for you. So I'm going to get started. The following are the list of ingredients for the Kale Power Smoothie. We have raw kale, blueberries, strawberries for garnish, bananas, acai berry juice, and honey. Start with our kale. Just break it off and put it right into your Vitamixer or your blender. Try not to get the hard stem in there though. Okay, so we're going to get the kale leaves in. I'm going to break 1½ leaves. Okay, I have a little bit of ice in the bottom because I like it super cold. Okay, next we're going to add ½ banana. Then we're going to add some frozen blueberries. So what I did was just take my blueberries and put them in the freezer. And then we're going to add the real wonderful ingredient here, the acai berry juice. So what we're going to do is 1½ cups of acai berry juice. And this is a superfood. So it's really going to give you wonderful antioxidants and vitamins. So I'm going to do 1½ Now the next ingredient is optional. I like it without the honey because I don't want any kind of sugar. But a lot of people like a little bit of sweetness. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of honey. It's 1, 2. And then what we're going to do is it's going to get a little noisy. I'm going to turn on the Vitamixer to crush everything and make it into a nice smoothie. Here we go. And you can actually pulse it a little bit just to make sure it's all blended really well. And of course, this is rich in vitamins. It's an antioxidant. And as I said earlier, it's a plant-based superfood. And I've got all that ready. There you go. That sounds like it's good. Perfect way to start your day. And the color is just amazing. Look at how rich that looks. There you go. So we have one already made here, and breakfast or lunch is served. Enjoy. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Baldanza Fashion Plate. Thank you.